so nice. It's just the smell from the... If you never tried this, make sure you try because it's very good. I am sick to death. So right now I'm cooking. I'm making macaroni. So yes, we're gonna eat off the space anyway. So I'm making macaroni. And I'm gonna mix it with bacon and then the sauce, and it will be salad. Kaya makikay. Aloha. Let's unbox. There's my clothes arrived. I don't have much battery, but I want to see what's inside now. So let's unbox it together. It's a big bag. I always order big bag because I don't order much of the clothes and everything, so I make it like the lot of it. Like this lot is like winter clothes, so it's just gonna be the winter stuff and gym stuff because all of my clothes are old, extremely old. Bunch of them has like holes on it, so I really need new clothes. It's not like I used to be very fashionable. But after I moved to Canada, so we all have to start from the bottom. So we have to really start from the bottom. Oh yes, I almost forgot. To be honest, I kind of regret ordering this because just thinking about it, it's snowing and this item might not be the perfect one for this season. However, I think it's really cute. It's a bag because I need a new bag. Wait, okay, so it's a bag like this. Ta-da! It's not, I think it's gonna get dirty very fast. However, it is what it is. I already ordered it, so. And this one is a new shirt. Really? It's kind of thin. This is the new dress. It looks so big. It looks very big. I have to try it tomorrow to try to wear it, but it's I think it can keep me warm during the winter time. And this is the thermal socks. So in winter, during the winter, I found out that I was sick because my feet is not warm, like it's not that warm. I thought it would be thermal, but it's just like thick socks. So it comes with many colors. because my socks are not like thick enough. It's the cheap socks, so this I hope it's better, and I quite like the color because it's like one pair, one color. My battery is gonna die. Let's do faster. And this is, oh, this is the legging. It's so thick. Oh, I will try this. It's something like the one that I have, but I feel like this has a better quality. Tomorrow I'll try this and I'll let you know if it's good. I'll tell you. If it's nice, I'll share with the world. And this is a sweater. Also comes with 3 colors. So it's black and beige and white. So as I told you, I have to buy the new like locks and new set of things, and this is iPhone case because I really need the new phone case. My phone case starting to like melting on my hand, and it's cute. Okay, it looks exactly like the picture I will share with you. We're not done yet. I ordered so many things. And this is also the legging. Oh, it's so thick. But this one is like just the legging. It doesn't have the leg part. But the one, it has like legs like this. And okay, I get extra 15% off. And this is a shirt. And this is, so I ordered like a lot of plain thing so I can wear in this season. I ordered this. Okay, so this is also the Therma thing. This is size M. It's super big. I think I ordered it to test if it's like good or not. Also, it's the Therma thing. I just ordered one piece. And this is also